So you looking at maybe joining LiveGood or buying the products? Okay. I sure appreciate you clicking the link to my video. Okay. I'd like to just, I don't know, maybe talk about 5-10 minutes long, just about the opportunity and what I've learned being a member and an affiliate of LiveGood. I joined about March of 2023. So 2 years will be underneath my little belt here in a couple months. Okay. And at a we have about 1.7 million people now that have already joined in 2 years. Isn't that awesome? We get about 60,000 people per month still signing up worldwide. And right now I'm number 27 in the company. I got about 400. I think I hit 401 people have signed up with me. Okay. And they'll get people to sign up and so on and so on and make a nice little group, and we can help each other. Yeah. And if we can just focus on one thing, and that's having people watch a little video that's already made. It's already produced. It's hosted by CEO Ben Glinsky of LiveGood, okay? He talks about the products, the opportunity. Everything in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's actually 5 seconds less than 6 minutes. How's that? Okay. And what I do is I simply invite people to watch it. And if they don't want to join LiveGood, that's cool. You're on your way. They're on their way. And if you do want to join, you'll put your name and email address in. You'll get a LiveGood email. And from there, you know what? If you want to get your username, password, and join, $49.95. Or if you want to join for the year, if you have $100, you get 12 months for the price of 10. But if you want to do $10 a month, $40 one time to be an affiliate. And that's it. One and done, guys. Two $20 bills. There's no more, okay, next month or next year, you got to pay another $40 to be an affiliate. You never even have to buy products to earn commissions, because we're a wholesale-based company. We focus on memberships, like Amazon Prime, Costco, country clubs where you go golfing, okay, Netflix. We're a membership-based website, but we have awesome products, the best. And since our products are the most expensive sold at wholesale, we're still the cheapest health company out there. Okay, people buy from us. We create the products. We distribute out of Jupiter, Florida, but we're so successful worldwide now, from all the Asian areas, China, India, Malaysia, South Korea. We go to the UK, of course, from good old Italy to England to France, and then down below to Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea, and then clear across that ocean over to Africa. We're a worldwide success story, guys, and it's a lot of fun for me. I'm just a guy that lives in good old Salt Lake City, Utah, at the bottom of Mount Olympus, but I had no idea I'd be successful. I'm not from a background of, okay, building a list, putting in tons of time, grinding and then jumping from opportunity to opportunity. LiveGood got me into this online business thing, and now my bills are paid. I can buy a bunch of crazy stuff to put on my walls. I can get up and work when I want, go to bed when I want, have a little snack. All right, I got a fridge full of some ice cold drinks there. And even though I promote healthy stuff, I might have to accidentally have one of these zero sugar little Monster energy drinks, but it's nice even wearing what I want. But one of the most important things is, God, it's nice to get up when the body feels like it and go to bed when it's tired. That's one of my favorite things about working like this. And you're making enough money to pay your home, apartment, mortgage, your car payment, let's say insurance and gasoline, diesel, whatever. All right. You got the electricity, air conditioning, heat. You got, let's see, I'm sure you got cell phone service and activity. Hello, hello. All right. Just getting up every 24 hours and go to bed costs money. And there's nothing wrong with making money online. And why not shoot to where you can pay your bills and then some? Well, by owning your own business, no boss, no employees, no traffic. Okay. LiveGood can do that for you, but you got to look into it. And if you have $50, why not give it a shot? Okay, go to joincory.com. I just bought that domain name at GoDaddy. I bought some business cards. You can see in my hand here. I just hand them out now and then. I never talk about LiveGood. I just have people go to joincory.com, and guess what? It goes right to the capture page. Okay, and I'll show you. This is LiveGood right here. I just wanted to show you. This is live. If you look at number 27 out of the 1.7 million people, let's see, I just hit 401 today. Very excited. Okay, and I want to be top 10. By the end of summer, I think I'll be right up here. Okay, kicking butt with all these fine folks. So I need to get to, let's see, 507 will put me, all right there. Okay, I want to be in the top 10. That'll be a lot of fun with my buddy Jeff. Okay, so anyway, what I like to do is just simply forward joincory.com to this. Right here, this is your capture page. You get this when you join LiveGood. You get this handsome guy and this couple on the beach running. You have this 6-minute video where people watch it and they decide yay or nay. The video does all the recruiting. It does everything. Let the video do what it's designed to do, okay? I've signed up 400 people this way, guys. And if you want more information, put your name and email address in. And if you want to join, do the same thing. Hit that little orange button and you'll get a LiveGood email. Open it up and join from there, okay? Very simple process. And what I recommend is if you really don't know a lot about LiveGood now, go to the products tab, okay, and just check out what we sell. All right, it's pretty darn cool. There's a ton of stuff, guys. You know, we have 11 new products coming out in the next few months. We just did a big company meeting, and we got 11 more products besides all these kick-ass ones. You can even buy a shirt or a hoodie. It's wintertime now, so maybe buy one of these right here. What's that called? A beanie cap. Okay, now after the products, go to the FAQ. All right, on the left side of your screen, do you see it right there? It says FAQ. When you click it, see all the questions? There you go, guys. Just click and they're answered right there on the screen. And then if you want to know about the comp plan, how we make money on the membership side, hit the pay plan button. It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. There's 7 ways we get paid. Okay, there they are. But do what I do. Just go to the bottom and watch this video. See where the pretty girl is? That YouTube button, boom, just click it and just watch. Watch it 2 or 3 times. That way you know how you get paid. We get paid every Thursday. And what's nice is we don't have to buy any product ever to earn commissions. If you like our products just to use, awesome, you're going to get wholesale. If you don't even want to join as a customer or a member, guys, you can go to livegood.com and shop just like Amazon or Walmart.com. But this is nice. 3 months. You have 3 months to use all our products, even empty. All right, let's see, I always have CBD oil around here somewhere. Where is it? Okay, let's say I just bought this CBD oil, fresh and yummy. I unscrew it and I pour all the CBD juice, oil, I guess, into a little cup, and I send this back to Jupiter, Florida in 3 months, 90 days. I get a full refund. Our company's like, you know what? Here's our guarantee. If you don't like our products, you got 3 months, 90 days, send back, even if it's empty, and let's just get your money back. That's awesome. Right there alone. That's what brought me into the company. I was buying Super Reds and a product called Super Greens. And I hope you look into those products. They're cheap too. They're like $14. All of our products, they're wholesale. If you're buying something from us for $10, you know, on the street, it's about 40 or 50. Just our essential oils alone. They're the freshest, most powerful essential oils. $50. On the street, they're $205 to $249 because we look and see what they're for sale. Okay, on Amazon or GNC or, I mean, God, everyone has their prices listed from Walmart.com right down to CVS, you know, just speaking for America. But there's companies all over the world, okay, selling what we sell. But we're a wholesale-based company. We have the most expensive ingredients, but because we sell wholesale, we beat everyone like crazy. Okay, we don't have to mark our stuff up. It's a nice, refreshing approach being a membership-based company versus you got to buy $300 a product each month so you can make a $300 bonus. And then all of a sudden you're just like, well, what's the point? It's like there's a bunch of breaking even with all this blood, sweat, and tears. Okay, guys, if you don't mind, let me just show you my business card one more time. And I keep things pretty darn simple. All right, all I do is invite people to simply a link to watch that video. Okay, so if you don't mind, joincory.com. Say hello to Ben. He'll take care of you guys for about 5 minutes and 55 seconds, and I'm done. Thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not even going to edit that out. I got the burps because I had a little sippy before I started. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Feel free to email me, guys. I'm not shy. All right, and thanks for your time. Okay, all right, live good. It's a pretty darn cool company, guys. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.